wellness. Today, we're exploring herbal plants approved by the Department of Health here in the Philippines. In this video, we'll talk about what alternative medicine is and the law that supports it, and 5 herbal plants you can try at home with their names, uses, and how to prepare them. If you're ready to learn how nature can keep us healthy and strong, come join me and let's get started! Let's start first by defining what is alternative medicine. So, alternative medicine in the Philippine context often called traditional and alternative healthcare. So, this refers to the medical systems, practices, and products that are outside the conventional Western medicine but are used for prevention, treatment, or healing. So, this includes herbal remedies, healots, acupuncture, and reflexology, and others. So next, let's define what is PITAHC. So PITAHC stands for Philippine Institute of Traditional and Alternative Healthcare. So it is a government corporate body attached to Department of Health created by Republic Act number 8423. So its role is to encourage scientific research, regulate herbal and traditional medicines, promote proven alternative modalities, and also it sets standards and guidelines, and lastly, it integrates them safely into healthcare. So next, let's talk about what is Republic Act 8423. So this is also known as the Traditional and Alternative Medicine Act or TAMA of 1997. So this is the law that formally created PITAHC and mandates the development, regulation, funding, and sale of traditional and alternative healthcare in the Philippines. Now that we know what is alternative medicine is, let's move on to the medicinal plants approved for safe use here in the Philippines. So the Department of Health through the PITAHC has approved 10 medicinal plants that are scientifically proven to treat common ailments. So now, let's discuss the 5 of them in details with their specific name, uses, and preparation. The first herbal medicine that I'm going to discuss is called sambong. The scientific name is Lumea balsamifera. So this plant is known as an anti-edema, diuretic, and helps dissolve kidney stones. Here's how to prepare it. Chop the leaves and put them in a pot with water. Boil for about 15 minutes or until only 1 glass of water remains, and then cool, then strain, and divide into 3 equal parts. Drink 1 part 3 times a day. So the next herbal medicine is called ampalaya. The scientific name of ampalaya is Momordica charantia or bitter gourd. This is well known for lowering blood sugar, especially for those with mild and non-insulin dependent diabetes. To prepare, gather young leaves, wash and chop them, and then place 6 tablespoons in 2 glasses of water. Boil uncovered on low heat for 15 minutes and then cool, strain, and drink 1/3 cup 3 times a day after meals. The third herbal medicine is called lagundi. The scientific name of lagundi is Vitex negundo, also called the 5-leaf chains tree. So lagundi is used for asthma, cough, fever, colds, dysentery, pain, skin diseases, wounds, and even insect bites. For asthma, cough, and fever, boil chopped fruits or leaf in 2 glasses of water until 1 glass remain, then strain and drink. For dysentery and colds, boil a handful of leaf and flowers until you get 1 glass of decoction and take it 3 times a day. You can also use lagundi for washing wounds, applying crushed leaves on your forehead for headache, or pounding the leaves and applying them on sprains, contusions, and insect bites. Our fourth herbal medicine is called bawang. The scientific name of bawang is Allium sativum or garlic. It's great for hypertension and lowering cholesterol. To prepare, Take 2 cloves and either fry, roast, soak them in vinegar for 30 minutes or blanch in boiling water for 5 minutes. Eat them 3 times a day after meals. For toothache, pound a small piece and apply it directly to the affected tooth. And remember, take bawang on a full stomach to avoid stomach irritation. For our last herbal medicine, it is called bayabas. So the scientific name of bayabas is Psyllium guajava or guava. So this plant is perfect for wound washing, toothache relief, and managing diarrhea. So to prepare it, wash and chop the leaves, boil uncovered for 15 minutes over low heat, then cool and strain. Use the warm decoction as a gargle or to wash wounds. For toothache, pound fresh leaves and apply them directly to the affected area. And there you have it, the 5 Department of Health approved herbal plants that are effective, affordable, and easy to prepare right at home. Just remember to follow the correct preparation and dosage and consult a health professional if symptoms persist. Nature really does provide amazing ways to keep us healthy. That's it for today's vlog. I hope you learned something new and helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and share so you won't miss our next topic. See you on next vlog for another fun and educational discussion. Bye-bye!